Ki kam sniew ki rieh tngen pedang ka jingdum ka miet, bat na ka jingkeu ki kam sniew ba harukam, ki ba pen mi jing huri hura ki ba lampat sa ka jingbam dan shu ka syongsok syongsngan, kala penlong ye ki board district ban penjari da ka kendon 144 CRPC hanong ba Shillong hakapor men miet. Ong ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills ka kong RM Kurba. Haka hukum ka balapan mi haka spau tarik unai tung arja arpulai, ka bantrai kam nadu ka khat tarik unai tung arja arpulai, ka deputy commissioner ka ong, bada ka jing penjari ya ka kendon 144 CRPC baro ki dukan bam, restaurant, bat kiwe ha Shillong, bakin omla ban play palat ya ka por shipau baje men miet. Kibor penyat distrik kila khang ru ya ka jing di kiat bat kinu ki kambean hapo ki kali lambat ka jing penhe jingrai hajan ki jaka pule ki yeng mane bat ki hospital khamtam hadian ka por shipau baje men miet bat kinu ki bapen khenya ka ni ka hukum kin ngat ha ka kendon shispa prapra jok ke Indian Penal Code.
Just that I have to say I've got several information that there's a lot of unruliness in the Shillong headquarters. We have so many incidents of arson, you know very well what I'm talking about. And we have seen that people are moving in and around, in vehicles which are having, loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating a very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. You see, we cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very easy for people to say so, but for us who are implementing or who are, taking care of the security, we have to take what are the costs? Why are people going out? We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There's a reason people are going out, because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock. It's just that we are concerned of the citizen, the old people, the young ones. There's a lot of crime that's happening in the city. You must be knowing better than all of us sitting here, 3 of us. But we know the number of crime that is going up in the city, the drug issue that is there. Everything is happening in the shelter of the dark. So we want to curtail all these issues, and for that matter, we had passed this order, and we hope that thing will be improved, and that we'll see some sanity in everyone, and that even for any normal person, I said that by 10 o'clock people should be at home rather than here and there.